This tutorial will show you how to navigate all of the awesome recipes within That Clean Life. When you click into any recipe from the recipe gallery, at the top you will see the title of the recipe, the total time, and number of ingredients. When you scroll down, you will see the directions, recipe notes, ingredients, number of servings, and nutrition information. All of our nutrition information is calculated using the USDA Food Composition Database. All of our recipes can be scaled up or down depending on how many servings you want to make. To adjust the number of servings, just click and drag the slider and the ingredient quantities will update in real time. This is handy if you're creating a meal plan for one or even an entire family of 4. Below the ingredients list, you will find the discussion section where you can see what other That Clean Lifers are saying about this particular recipe, and also leave your own comments if you'd like. Scrolling back up, if you would like to add this recipe to a meal plan, just click on Add. Select the plan you would like to add this recipe to, select the meal, and then select the days. Then click on Add Recipe, and we'll add it to your planner for you. If you'd like to export this recipe as a PDF, just click on the Export button. This will download the recipe as a PDF into your Downloads folder. And last but not least, you can click this icon with the 3 dots if you want to add this recipe to one of your collections. If you would like the ability to modify recipes and export them with your custom branding plus nutrition information on them, be sure to check out our business membership, which gives you the ability to make changes to any recipe, have the nutrition updated in real time, then export them with your business logo.